What's up, guys? Today we're playing some American farming. Now you can see how I'm driving the tractor I got last episode back to the farm was because I accidentally forgot to save that. So I'm driving this tractor back to the farm. Today we're gonna be getting a We're gonna be getting a new truck. We're gonna be getting some stuff to do some haying. Finish plowing our field, doing some other stuff, and and that's basically all that's gonna happen. Well, I'm probably gonna start doing some like Fortnite content and stuff soon. I just have to get I have to get it all figured out and stuff. So I'm just gonna keep doing stuff on phone until I get everything set up for Fortnite content. So yeah, don't forget to like and please like and subscribe. We're on the road to 20 subscribers, so please subscribe. So yeah, we almost made it to the farm. As I can see the farm, we gotta start planting. This tractor can get right to work. And yeah, also we're gonna be getting a new pickup, which I think will be fun to get. So let's go just cut through this field. I've been thinking should I buy this field? I'm gonna check. I'll look at this field. Oh, corn's in this one over here already, so we can't. So we might be planting grass in that one. But I'm gonna be grabbing the tractor for now. The thing. I'm probably gonna sell the fertilizer spreader thing since I don't think I will need it. We got planter. Let's get planting. I can't afford a bean head right now, so we're gonna keep using this. So I'm gonna get this started, and we'll sell the truck, and we'll see how much a new truck will be. Pull out here, pull up in neutral. It's on a folder really quick. Our field's in use, bro, so we can't run two things at once. Well, I'm just gonna leave this here, so then when I'm done, I can just I'm gonna check. I'm gonna go to equipment. We'll sell this. What should we get for extra $4,000? All right, we'll sell dealership vehicles. 40K. Ah, frick. Son of a nutcracker. We can't. I'm gonna stick with that. But I am going to try to buy equipment for haying. I say, is everything DLC? No, it's not. So we can buy the hay wagon. I can buy that livestock. I don't need all that stuff for livestock. Oh, I wish I could do that. I can't. I don't have all the passes. So, what do we have? We have this. We have this thing. Not this plow. How much? So this is pretty cheap. How much is a grass picker upper? Ooh, pretty cheap. Okay. Harvester head, 97. Maybe we should. I don't know. How much would be a cattle farm though? Especially dairy. How much would be a dairy farm? Let me check really quick. Cause it would be nice to run a dairy farm. Let me think. Let me see. Dairy. This is dairy. dairy farm. I'll try to buy a dairy farm so then we can just use this farm. So, purchase. No funds. Alright. I'm not buying funds. So, okay. So, if we ever get enough money for that, we'll keep these 2 fields and we'll just buy. Maybe we should buy like 1 acre right by it. Right by the farm. See how big the farm is and then buy everything else. So the 06 done at least, bro. Oh, it's done. Thank you. Let's do some touch-up work. Actually, no, we don't need touch-up work. Let's just go. I'm getting impatient. We gotta get farming done. So, got the old 1206, my favorite tractor. Get this off the field, get the guys started planting, get the plow away, and we can get started on smart stuff. So stop that. Let's have this tractor, do this. Now let's hope he starts planting. He's going to. Alright, let's go. Now for the fun part, grab this Kinsey, and we'll back it up to the trailer. I might have to save. I might have to buy it. I might buy that pass. I might buy the pass for 4-wheelers and stuff. I'm hoping soon we can get some more stuff in the game, and I backed that trailer pretty well, so I think I'll be fine with running 2 trailers. Come on, buddy. I actually kind of get annoyed. Oh yeah, this would be fun truck and trailer. Come on. I'm getting angry. Okay, if it's gonna be like this, I might just say screw and so I'll say trailer. Okay, I need the money, it's so funny for our stuff. Can I buy, wait, is there like a seed trailer I can? Trailers, please, bro, please. Seed transporter, this is what I need. Turn this way, this way, this way, this way. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Bro, oh, requires large equipment, bro. I forgot that was like that. I'm gonna sell my hay trailer. Sell that. We're probably gonna have this be a short episode. We're probably gonna get back to the farm, and I'll probably end it. So yeah. So hopefully by next episode, next time I record, it'll be on Fortnite, FS22, maybe 25 since it's coming out soon. Minecraft. Roblox, GVRPs, I don't know. GV, maybe Southwest Florida, maybe Greenville, I don't know. Like some, cause they just added trailers in Greenville. I'm for sure gonna be doing the Southwest revamp. I'm definitely doing that. I'm definitely doing Southwest Florida's revamp. I really am gonna do that on the video because I'll be really good. It's probably like how to buy trucks, how to buy a trailer. Maybe I might do like a starter's tutorial on Roblox. I make a new account and do like how to make money faster in GV or something. How to make money faster in Southwest. How to make money in, I don't know, maybe Brookhaven videos. I don't know. But yeah, that's it. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.